Okay, I'm going to start probably doing a few videos on my experiences as a eBay seller, because in my opinion, and maybe others have the same opinion, that if they're buyers or sellers, that things are just getting worse on eBay. But essentially in this instance, basically the buyer left me negative feedback because I wouldn't send him a USB flash drive because they didn't order a USB flash drive. The reality is that this buyer left negative feedback even though he purchased a DVD and paid for a DVD. He just complains in here, that I insisted that he ordered a DVD when in fact he did order a DVD and refused to make it right. And I don't know how I make anything right by doing something that's wrong and just giving them something that they didn't order or pay for. So essentially this messaging goes back before he ordered the DVD and then after he received the DVD. So essentially he just asked me what version of the PC Linux OS ISOs I would ship on the media, which in this case was a DVD, to him. So essentially, then he's complaining that he paid $14.95 for PC Linux OS multi-boot USB flash drive, and he continues to do this, and requests that I send him a USB flash drive or refund his money. So essentially, I did none of that because what he actually ordered was a DVD. So he didn't pay for a USB flash drive, and I'm not going to just send him something to placate a buyer's bad behavior. So essentially, obviously this is the image that I attached to the message that I sent him, and so basically, I say that basically the image is shown, and then he continues to double down on the dumb shit and suggest that it was impossible for him to order a DVD because there wasn't one available, but there was only not one available because he ordered the DVD, and these particular listings, I only have one of each item because they're it's not a listing that is that popular, even though it's unique, and so I wouldn't ever expect any buyer to just purchase a DVD and a flash drive at the same time. So I just update the listing after the sale to add another DVD, but it'll only be one. So essentially, what he then suggests is that I changed the page, and a DVD was not available before at the time when he ordered the DVD, when in fact it was, and it was only unavailable after he ordered. So then blah blah blah. He's such a good customer, so forth, so on. So basically had to reiterate that I didn't make any mistake, and the order, the image order showed that he ordered a DVD, but he continued to insist that he didn't order a DVD, and because there wasn't one available at the time he placed the order, when in fact the only DVD that was available was ordered by him. And so I had to just, try to get him off, get him off my back, and it suggested that he contact eBay if there's a problem with the ordering system, because I'm only responsible for fulfilling these orders. So then he agreed that he would try to contact eBay, but he had to wait a few days before doing so. So essentially, basically this buyer insisted that he didn't order a DVD, even though everything that I showed him and everything that is available shows that he ordered a DVD. And then he wanted me to send him a flash drive or refund him his money. So, my issue is that, well, you didn't order a USB flash drive, so why should I send you a flash drive when you didn't pay for a flash drive? And so then he just left that negative feedback, insisting that, he ordered a USB flash drive. So it was eventually removed by eBay, because obviously, there's nothing to show that I made a mistake, but he did. And so, saying that he ordered a USB flash drive when he didn't isn't, I don't know, I guess it's, basically just, false information. And, what the reason they gave me for, actually removing it might have been different, but essentially, I don't know, what this buyer's deal was, but they may have been trying to scam me. They may have just been that stupid that they couldn't figure out that how to order a USB flash drive if they wanted a USB flash drive. But I don't know what their deal was. But I just made this video to kind of show you what some sellers have to deal with on eBay. And, like I say, it's just been getting worse. So I guess all I can say is, thanks for tuning into this video, and hope to see you again for